Good morning, students. Myself, Mr. Rajesh Jadhav. My school name is Kama Road Municipal English School, Andheri West. And today's my topic is adjective and kinds of adjective. Okay. So before starting the very interesting chapter, adjective and kinds of adjective, I would like to ask a question to you. Name me the parts of speech. Can anybody give me the answer? Hello. 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 Yes. Very good. Noun. Pronoun. Very good. Yes. Adjective. Good. Verb. Very good. Adverb. Very good. Preposition. Yes. Conjunction. Interjection. Very good. So these are the 8 parts of speech. Now today we are going to study detail about the adjective and the kinds of adjective. So let's start. Now students, first we will see what is the adjective. What is the adjective? Adjective is a describing word, and you know it. Adjective is a describing word. It describes or tells us something more about noun or pronoun. It tells us more about the nouns and pronouns. Adjective occurs before the noun or pronoun they describe. They can also occur in the predicate without being followed by a noun. Now let us see what is the adjective. Means adjective means what? Now see here, some examples I have given here. It was a beautiful flower. Now see here the beautiful word is an adjective. It shows the quality of the flower. Means flower is a noun. But how is the noun? So it is a beautiful. The flower is a noun. But the beautiful word describes the flower. The flower is beautiful. Means here the word beautiful is an adjective. Why it is adjective? Because it tells more about flower. It tells more about flower, and as therefore it is an adjective. So here beautiful is an adjective. Now let us see the second example. Mumbai is a big city. Now Mumbai is a big city. Now let us see what is the city. The city is a noun. City is a common noun. But how is the Mumbai city? So it is a big city. So city is a noun, but it is the big word describes the city as it is a big city. So big is an adjective because it describes the noun, which is tell more about the noun, and that is why a city is a adjective. So city is a noun, but how is the city? The city is a big city. Now let us see the third example. He is a honest boy. He is a honest boy. Now boy is a noun. Boy is a noun, but how is a boy? The boy is honest. Honest is a quality. Honest is a quality of the boy. So boy is a noun and the honest describes the boy. So therefore honest is a adjective. Next, fourth example is that I like hot coffee. I like coffee. Coffee is a noun. But which coffee? Hot coffee. So hot is an adjective. It describes the noun coffee. Again, she is a hard-working teacher. How is she? A hard-working teacher. So here, hard-working is an adjective. It describes the teacher. The teacher is hardworking. How is the teacher? Teacher is a hardworking. So a hardworking word tell more about the teacher, and that is why hardworking is an adjective. Teacher is a noun and hardworking is an adjective. See, now adjective and the noun. Adjective always comes before the noun. So therefore, hardworking is an adjective. Now, sixth example, this flower is beautiful. Now here see, this flower is beautiful. It tells more about the flower. How is the flower? The flower is beautiful. So the beautiful is an adjective. Then this is an interesting book. Now it is tell about the book. So how is the book? The book is interesting, an interesting book. So the interesting is an adjective because it describes the book. How is the book? The book is interesting. So the interesting is an adjective. Now example number 8. He used the red pen. Which pen? Red pen. So it describes the pen, its color. That is a red. So red is an adjective because it describes the noun pen. So from our 8 examples, we come to know that an adjective is a describing word. It describes or tells us more about a noun or pronoun. And always remember, adjective always occur before the noun or a pronoun. Okay, so that is about the adjective. Let us learn the detail about adjective. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. We will see one by one. Now the kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. 1. Adjectives of quality. 2nd, adjectives of quantity. 3rd, adjectives of number. 4th, interrogative adjectives. 5th, demonstrative adjectives. And the 6th one, possessive adjectives. These are the 6 kinds of adjectives. Can anybody repeat it? Hello? Hello, students. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. Let's study one by one. Now see, the first type, that is the adjectives of quality. Now what is the adjectives of quality means what? So these adjectives shows the quality of a person. Hello?
So,
Hello?
hello, sir.
Hello? Yes?
I was reading it. These adjectives show the quality of a person or thing.
Okay, very good. Now see, let us see about the adjectives of quality. Very good. Adjectives of quality means what? So these adjectives show the quality of a person or thing. Quality. How is the person or how is the thing? That is a quality. They answer the question, what kind or which? What kind or which? There are many words in our day-to-day life we use to show the quality of the thing or person or place. Some words we use in day-to-day life. They are, for example, active, easy, angry, attractive, beautiful, big, black, blind, bright, broad, clean, clear, colorful, cruel, dark, curly, deep, dim, faint, short, tall, tiny, young, old, tidy, nice, sad, narrow, sweet, funny, loud, juicy, pleasant, salty, cold, dry, red, orange, black, hot, right, wrong. Such types of words we use in our day-to-day life to show the quality of the person or thing. Now, four examples I have given here. See, the Mumbai is a large city. Now, the large is a adjective, and it shows the quality of the city. How is the city? It is a adjective of the quality. How is the Mumbai? The Mumbai is a large city. It shows the quality. Mumbai is a large city. Large means what? Big. So the Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a large city. The large is the quality of the city. So it is a adjective of quality. Second, it is a boring journey. How is the journey? Boring journey. Boring, it is a restless or it is a very boring. So it describes the journey. So it shows the quality of the journey. Journey is boring journey. And that is why the boring is an adjective of quality. Third, my sister is an excellent dancer. Now here, my sister is an excellent dancer. It shows the quality of the dancer. How is the dancer? An excellent dancer. How is the dancer? An excellent dancer. Fourth one, so the excellent, an excellent is an adjective of quality. It shows the quality of the dancer. Dancer is a noun. Fourth one, it is a big tree. Now, how is the tree? The tree is a big tree. So it shows the quality of the tree. It tells more about the tree. The quality of the tree is big. So here, tree is a noun and big is an adjective. So adjective comes before the noun. It tells more about the noun. It shows the quality of the noun. And that is why big is the adjective of quality. So the adjective of quality always shows the quality of the person, quality of the thing, and quality of the place. Okay. So now, one more example I am giving to you. My friend is short, or my friend is tall. So here it shows the quality of the friend. How is the friend? He is a tall or he is a short. Another example, let us see. Here I have a black pen. So I have a pen, but which type of pen? Black pen. Then we will see the next type, that is the second, adjectives of quantity. Now second type, that is the adjective of quantity. Now what is the adjective of quantity? So this adjective shows the quantity of something. Quantity of something. They answer the question how much. They answer the question how much. These adjectives are used before the uncountable noun. Some nouns we cannot count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So they are called as the uncountable nouns. And these types of adjective we use before the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Now let us see which are the uncountable nouns. So let's see in detail. Now here see, I ate some rice. I ate some rice. Now let us see, the some is a adjective. Okay. And it comes before the noun rice. Now rice is a noun, but it is an uncountable noun because we cannot count rice by 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot count it. So this is an uncountable noun, and that is why sum shows the quantity. So that is why the sum is an adjective of quantity. So the rice is a noun and sum shows the quantity. So I ate some rice. So therefore the sum shows the quantity. So when we cannot count the nouns by 1, 2, 3, so that time we tell them in a quantity, and that time we use the word showing the adjective showing the quantity, and that is why they are called as the adjective of the quantity. I ate some rice. So the here some is a adjective of the quantity. It shows the quantity. Second, we should have enough exercise. Now exercise daily. So exercise we cannot count by 1, 2, 3, and that is why the enough, it shows the adjective of the quantity. So the enough exercise. So the enough is shows the adjective of quantity. Third, he lost all his wealth. So here all is the shows the quantity. Fourth, many people came to visit the fair. So here the many is the adjective of quantity. There is much water in the jug. Now the water is a noun, and it is an uncountable noun, and therefore much is the shows the quantity, and therefore much is the adjective of the quantity. There are many words to describe the adjectives of quantity. Some words I have given here. This, for example, whole, enough, little, all, 100, no, some, sufficient, any, few, most, heavily, empty, a lot of, a little bit, plenty of, enough of, great, insufficient, abundant, light, numerous, and such words with a single, substantial, hundreds, double, sparse, etc. words we use to show the adjectives of quantity. Now let us see the third type, that is the adjectives of number. Now what is the adjective of number? It shows the number of person or things. Means they answer the question how many. These adjectives are used before the countable noun. Now what is the adjectives of number? They tell the number. They tell the number. For example, see, there are 10 mangoes on the table. How many mangoes? 10 mangoes. So the 10, it shows the number. Okay. And the mangoes. So mangoes is a countable noun, and this 10 shows the adjective of number. They eat 10 mangoes. There are 10 mangoes on the table. You need 35 marks to pass. Here 35 is a number. Saturday is the last day of the week. So last is also shows the number. I stood first in the class. The first is also the number. 2 children make a family perfect. So here the 2 is also the adjective of the number. There are 5 trees in a row. Means adjectives of number shows the number. How many the numbers are there, or the person or the things are there. So it shows the number, and therefore the number is called as the adjectives of the number. Let us see the four types, that is the interrogative adjective. Now the interrogative adjective means what? These adjectives are used with nouns to ask the question. These adjectives are always used to ask the question. There are some examples: which, what, whose, who, where, how, why, etc. These are interrogative adjectives. Now, examples are there. Which road shall we take? Here is a which is the interrogative adjective. This interrogative adjective asks the noun question. Which road shall we take? Which road? What medicine should I buy? What medicine? Whose pen is this? Who is this dress for? What time is it? Which pencil is yours? So here, which, what, whose, who, what, which. These are the interrogative adjectives. And always remember, interrogative adjectives always comes first or beginning in the sentence. And in the interrogative adjective, if there is an interrogative adjective, there will be the question mark in the end of the sentence. Means that is the, it is easy to find the interrogative adjective. Then let us see the fifth type, that is a demonstrative adjective. Now what is a demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective means what? These types of adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. It demonstrates, it shows the person, it shows the thing, or it demonstrates, or we tell something about the other thing. So that indication, they indicate the thing. Now example, these, that, these, those, and such. These are the 5 words we use for demonstrative adjective. Means they are the demonstrative adjective. Example, this lady is very intelligent. This lady is very intelligent. Here is a this. It demonstrates the lady. So this lady is very intelligent. Those oranges are sweet. So it is the those is a demonstrative adjective. Those oranges are sweet. This pearl is beautiful. So here is a this is the demonstrative adjective. Fifth, I don't accept such thing. Here is a such is a demonstrative adjective. And you don't ask such silly questions. So here is a such, this is the demonstrative adjective. See that in the demonstrative adjective, after that always comes the noun. This lady, those oranges, this pearl, that boy, such thing, such silly. So here this, these, those, this, that, such, they demonstrate the person or thing. So therefore they are called as the demonstrative adjectives. They are called as the demonstrative adjectives. Now let us see the 6th type, that is a possessive adjective. Now what is a possessive adjective? This adjective shows the belongings or possession. Belongings or possession. They answer the question whose. They answer the question whose. Now there are 7 possessive adjectives. Example, my, your, his, her, is, are, their, etc. Now, example, this is my phone. This is my phone. Means it shows the possession. Possession. This is my phone. This is my phone. Means the possession is mine. The possession is mine. Means this phone is belong to me, or I am the owner of this phone. So it shows the possession. This is my phone. So the my is the possessive adjective, and the phone is the noun. So the my phone. So the my is a possessive adjective. Second, the boy gave his coat to the poor man. Here, the boy gave his coat. His. So his, it shows the possession. So his coat. So his is an adjective, a possessive adjective. It is her pen. Now here her. So her is a possessive adjective. It is her pen. Fourth one, his father is a doctor. His father. So his father, father is the noun, and his father, so he shows the possession. So the possessive adjective. His is a possessive adjective. My computer is not working. So here, my is a possessive adjective. Their favorite teacher did not come yesterday. Here is a there. There is a possession. It shows the possessive adjective. So there is a possessive adjective. So in the possessive adjective, it shows the belonging or possession. Okay. So these are the 6 main kinds of adjective. So the first kind of adjective, that is a adjective of quality. Second is the adjective of quantity. Third is the demonstrative adjective. Fourth is the adjective of number. Then interrogative adjective. And the sixth one, we have seen the possessive adjective. So all are the 6 types of the adjective. Hello, can anybody give me the answer? Tell me any 2 types of adjectives. Any 2 types. Hello? Hello? Hello, student?
Yes, sir.
Tell me any 2 types of adjectives. Any 2. There are 6 types of adjectives. Tell me the names of any 2 types of adjectives. Hello?
Interrogative adjectives.
Very good.
Adjectives of quality.
Adjectives of quality. Very good.
Adjectives of quantity.
Good. Okay. Very good. Now unmute your mic. Now,
Adjective.
yes. Very good. Very good. Now let us see the question. Now students, here are the 10 questions I have given to you, and pick out the adjective in the following sentences. Now here, first, she is a brave girl. She is a brave girl. Now tell me which is the adjective here. She is a brave girl. Hello. Which is the adjective used here?
Brave.
Very good. The brave is an adjective. Very good. Next, second. He is a loyal man. He is a loyal man. Which adjective used here? Next one. Loyal. Shabash. Third. Math is a easy subject.
Easy. Sorry,
Easy. Very good. The 2 brothers were away on a trip. The 2 brothers were away on a trip. So which adjective is there? Hello? The 2 brothers. So here, which adjective? 2. 2 is a adjective of number. Okay. Now fifth one. This house was built by Rima's parents. Now here see. This house was built by Rima's parents. So which is the adjective used here? Which adjective is here? This. Good.
That
This.
brothers were away on a trip. Trip adjective.
Hello.
Sir, trip आएगा.
Trip is not an adjective. The 2 is a adjective. 2 adjective of number. Trip is a noun. It is not an adjective. Now fifth one. This house built by Rima's parents. So it is this is a adjective of demonstrative adjective. Then 6. Whose book did you borrow today? So here ask the question. Okay. So the whose is the adjective. 7. I called the police many times. Here I called the police many times. So the here many is a adjective. Many adjective of number. My mother cooked tasty food. My mother cooked tasty food. So the
Cook.
tasty is a quality. Okay, food is a noun. Tasty food. So the tasty is an adjective. 9. I have enough money. So here enough. Enough is a adjective. And 10th one, he has much gold.
Oh.
So much. Gold is a noun. Much is the adjective. Much gold. Now, identify the kinds of adjectives that underline in the following sentence. Now here, it made a poor man in the street. I met a poor man in the street. Now, tell me the poor. It is an adjective of number, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, or it is a demonstrative adjective. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir, quality.
Very good. Poor. Man, it is a quality of the man. It is an adjective of quality. It is an adjective of quality. Okay. Second. Next one. Huh? We should have enough exercise daily.
Adjective of number.
Adjective of number, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, a demonstrative adjective.
Adjective of number.
Adjective of
Number.
adjective of quantity. It is an adjective of quantity. Hello. It is an adjective of quantity. Now here, the teacher taught her many songs. See here the underlined word many. Many is not given, underlined word is not given, but underlined word is the many. The teacher taught her many songs. Underlined word is the many.
Sir, adjective of quantity.
Adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. Many comes in the adjective of number. Hello. Hello. Fourth one. The teacher taught her many songs. This one finished?
Many.
Okay. Now fifth one. There are the boy gave his coat to the poor man. Actually, the underlined word is not his. Here is a poor. Poor. Suppose there is a poor is the underlined word, so it will be the adjective of quality. Okay. Fifth one option is not given there. His underlined word is his, but the option is not given there. So this is the adjective of possession. And six, I have 10 notebooks. Hello. I have 10 notebooks. It is a adjective of, hello,
Notebooks.
10 notebooks. So it shows the number. So it is the adjective of number. Hello. Now students, see, you have one homework. Collect many adjectives from your history and English textbook and write down in your notebook. Okay. You collect the adjectives from your history textbook and English textbook and write all the adjectives in your notebook. Hello. Hello.
Okay, sir.